I found the most successful students come to the session with questions, with specific topics that they might need help with.
Successful students that come to tutoring appointments here, especially for physics, statistics, and other math classes, come in, especially if they're here to ask questions about their homework, come in having already tried the homework and know exactly which problems they still need help on. And a lot of students also bring class notes in to help me see what they're actually being told in class, to see what they're learning, and that helps me a little bit to see what tools they already have that they may not realize that they can use.
So really just prepare yourself, go through the homework, notes.
Again, a successful student comes with questions.
Successful students during a session are engaged.
When the tutor is guiding them, they'll be doing work, they may be taking notes or working on the problem with them.
They're not waiting for the tutor to give them the answer. They're actively trying to answer the question themselves.
They don't let the tutor do all of the talking. They'll ask questions, acknowledge the tutor. If they're stuck on something, they'll ask the tutor to go back and repeat it.
The tutors are here to help you work through a problem. They're not here to give you the answers.
For a student, come to the session expecting to learn, expecting to work.
After the session, I recommend that students at some point look at the material that they looked at with the tutor just to make sure they still understand it and that everything's sticking.
After the session, definitely kind of debrief with yourself, and if you took notes during the session or if you have examples that the tutor wrote out for you, really go over those and make sure you understand them.
For my organic chemistry students, I tell them to do all the practice problems in the book.
When I've gone myself and I've had an example that a tutor's given me, I've gone back and done the problem again without looking at theirs, and then go back and compare, see if mine's how they did it.
In fact, I've had, I think, about 5 to 6 of my 2Ds this year come to me in subsequent sessions and says, hey Ryan, we've done all the practice problems on the book and we've got 100 on our last quiz or test.
If you have more questions, you can go to the same tutor, you can sign up with a different tutor.
If they still have questions, I would recommend that they either come back or talk to their professor as well.
And you can go to the same tutor multiple times. It's not just a one and then you're done. The tutoring's available all semester long.